Hello, Dr. Alex Martin here at MetroMed, and today we're going to learn how to mix Sermorelin and get it ready for injecting. Okay. First, we like to identify the two bottles that are together. One is the powder, which is Sermorelin. The other one is the liquid diluent. This is what we dilute and put into the powder. We take the caps off and we go for the liquid first, and there's a syringe here with a very large needle on it, which we're not going to inject it, and that's used for mixing. We're going to fill the syringe. There we go. We have the 3 cc's, and then we're going to place it in the powder. There we go. You can see the powder has now been dissolved in the liquid, completely liquid. The powder is the Sermorelin now as a liquid. The next thing we want to do is to draw up our dose. We use a very tiny needle for this. We're very grateful that it's a small needle. And we're going to draw up to the level of 10. There it is, 10. So here we go. Got it? You can see there it's filling, and we're at the level of 10, and this is our first dose. The rest of the doses are here, and with the other needles we can draw more as we need them. So this one is ready to go, so we'll just cap it until we need it. Okay? This is how you mix and draw up Sermorelin. This is ready to use now.